Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am teaching you the Grinch nail art design step by step guide. If you are looking for conventional nail designs to stand out this Christmas season, you might want to check out this Naughty Grinch nails step by step guide. How the Grinch Who Stole Christmas is a classic family favorite during the holiday season. It's a shorty about giving more attention and importance to relative relationships over material things. It's verbal but sometimes frustrating naughty character. The Grinch is the main star of the show. This Christmas, it's good idea to pay homage to our favorite holiday classic. These week weekly's awesome Grinch nails are perfect if you are into unconventional seasonal nail designs. These nails are ultra colorful, ultra fun, ultra naughty, but most of all ultra festive. Ties the season to be extra and go all out. So why not rock these super colorful nails while you are at it? Unless you are professional nail artist, copying this Grinch nail at home might be hard since it requires a lots of detail and a very steady hand. To make things super easy, we found some awesome and affordable Grinch theme press or nails that three you go that there you go sorry. If you want to switch to a new nails set halfway through the week, then you can take them off just as easily. But if you rather go in a manicure, just save your favorite design from this list to phone and show it to your tag of your choice. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye.